What would be the best way to just increase the number of tokens?
The best way is to trade tokens for more tokens. If you start off with 100 spring tokens, you can trade those for summer tokens, autumn tokens, winter tokens, and you can as long as you follow the rule of always trade tokens for more tokens of a different type, then the total number of tokens you have in your portfolio increases. And if you want to do that at the maximum rate, the way to do it is to watch the prices and look for opportunities, because the prices of each token, they move independently. They all have their own fluctuations. So it could be the case that spring fluctuates up and summer fluctuates down. And if that happens, then it would be wise to trade spring for summer at that time, because you get the greatest number of summer tokens for the number of spring tokens that you start with. So the investors who really make the biggest profit are going to be the ones who use the volatility of the prices. They take advantage of the fluctuations in the prices, wait for one token to go up and another token to go down, and then trade. This is the best way to trade tokens for more tokens over time. But if you're going to do that, that means that you need to be watching the prices all the time. You need to be putting in effort, and you need to make more trades, which means a larger tax reporting burden. It means more information in your spreadsheet that you need to record and report to the tax authorities. If you want to do it at a steady rate and you're not as interested in getting the best possible return, then you can trade tokens for more tokens once every 9 months. You'll get the average return. You maybe get 60% more tokens once every 9 months. And for some people, that will be an acceptable return. People who really want to make the best return, though, they're going to have to watch the prices every day, and that's going to be a lot of effort.
To learn more about seasonal tokens, check out this playlist.